But we begin tonight with new signs of progress as Michigan fights to turn the corner on the COVID surge. Good evening and welcome to 7 Action News at 11. I'm Carolyn Clifford.
And I'm Alan Campbell, and the numbers appear to be heading, at least for now, in the right direction. The state is reporting more than 3,600 new cases in the last 24 hours. That's the lowest single-day count in over a month.
It comes as the nation takes a step forward with new mask guidelines as a growing number of Americans become fully vaccinated. 7 Action News reporter Brian Abel takes a closer look at where we stand tonight.
Today, President Biden announcing the new CDC masking guidelines.
If you're fully vaccinated and you're outdoors, you need, and not in a big crowd, you no longer need to wear a mask.
Some restrictions remain.
I want to be absolutely clear. If you're in a crowd, like a stadium or at a conference or a concert, you still need to wear a mask.
The updated guidance comes as supply has begun to eclipse demand. And Michigan's pace to 70% of the population fully vaccinated for that herd immunity has slowed. State Health Director Elizabeth Hertel on 7 Action News this morning.
I'm hopeful that those vaccination rates continue to go up and that our case rates continue to go down, and we will be in a position to be able to get to a more normal type of lifestyle, something that we were used to pre-pandemic.
Governor Whitmer today remaining optimistic that could happen by July 4th, hinting at policy changes on the horizon.
We are continuing to monitor what the CDC is recommending and our data here in Michigan, and I would anticipate forthcoming policy changes potentially that will feel a little bit more normal for all of us.
More than a year into this pandemic, conjuring up what normal means may not be so easy. However, infectious disease Dr. Tina Chopra says Michigan is turning a corner in that direction. At least it appears so right now.
With this virus, anything is possible. We could take the turn for the worse if the virus mutates a lot and we see more and more variants. Easing that and more people can, be inside a restaurant and eat, and also if more people are vaccinated, we can travel more, we can be in schools in person. Even though, we are getting into summer, but going into summer camps might be possible. The normalcy I'm talking about, we will still be masking, but we will still be able to get out of this semi-restricted mode.
Dr. Chopra and Governor Whitmer have said so much of what our summer will look like relies on how much of our population is vaccinated. So where are we? Well, in Wayne County, you see here, 40% have had at least one dose. Detroit lagging behind, only 16% of the population fully vaccinated at this point. When we look at Macomb, 40% have had at least a first dose there, as well as Oakland County, 49% have at least one dose. Locally, for the entire Metro Detroit area, that number 40%. And then let's take a look statewide. Statewide, 40% on at least one dose as well. Only 29% of Michigan fully vaccinated at this point. For 7 Action News, I'm Brian Abel.
All right, thank you so much, Brian.